Guys, today we have a special review. This is a Lemansory based on Ford GT, almost 2 million euro price. Let's start our review. So guys, car is already ready to go on the roads, so let's do it. And if you are talking about performance, if you're talking about stock Ford GT, there is 3.5 liters biturbo engine there, producing 655 horsepower and 700 plus Newton meters of torque. And here we have tuned version by Mansory, 710 horsepower and over 800 Newton meters of torque. So here on Ford GT you can't change position of seats, yeah? Or you can do it? I think you can't. So guys, very unusual thing about Ford GT that you can't change position of your seats, but you can change position of pedals. This is something new. This hypercar is doing from 0 to 100 less than 3 seconds in stock, and of course in such Mansory edition it will be much more faster. But the main problem is to find the grip, because this rear-wheel drive car. With this car you don't need a horn, because everybody can hear you because of exhaust. You know, this sound is like a metal. Incredible. Right now I put it some more power and that was amazing feelings, very fast and very loud, just awesome. Now let's have a closer look to details of this Lemansory. Nick, what do you think? What do you feel?
I think that this looks like an explosion, because
Tuning explosion.
you can treat this word like anything you want, but the guys just took the car, tear it off and made another car, because
yes,
the optics are different, all the elements are different, the bumpers, the roof, anything.
Especially this part, it should be very difficult to make it in carbon, yeah? Also, if you're talking about interior, it's absolutely like all new too, so absolutely new leather and some interesting moments. For example, on stock Ford GT, ignition button is somewhere here, and here this is Mansory style, they are putting to the roof. For example, there is all new DBX, and even there, the same position of ignition button. So guys, time to move very fast again. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this dynamic power. Car got not so lot of horsepower, yeah, but overall with this Ford performance work and Mansory job, with exhaust and other parts, together it's giving you absolutely hypercar feelings, yeah, and this is totally amazing. This is a very serious and amazing weapon. And I don't know which part of this car is more insane, front or rear. Both of them are mega, just mega. Look at this diffuser with carbon and So stock one costs around, all new, around 800,000 euro, and this one costs too much more bigger, 1.8 million euro without tax. Yeah, so very big money. And if we're talking about stock for GT, I don't know why key is so simple. It's like from Ford Mustang, yeah, but price is really different from Ford Mustang. So here you can see super little trunk space.
This is the only thing to keep your items.
Yeah, so no road trips on this car, only short trips, autobahn runs. And here we got this 3.5 V6, 3.5 biturbo engine. And so stock one 655 horsepower, and this one 7 and 10 after some Mansory paper. So Nick, how do you like interior and first feelings from this car, from American hypercar with Mansory pepper inside, yeah?
I think that two words, like super futuristic,
yeah,
and racy. They took all the geometry stuff, just threw it into the interior, and now we see like lots of squarey things, elements, something like this. This is like floating. You see the air inside. The only thing that I don't really like enjoy, yeah, is the multimedia. But the multimedia, I think,
is the last thing that you need in such car.
Yeah, this is the last thing.
Look how all Germans are showing thumbs up to this car. This is amazing. Let's go. Guys, I hope you enjoyed our review on this incredible hypercar from Mansory and Ford Performance, lemansory. Please write in comments what do you think about such incredible project, and don't forget to smash subscribe button and to push bell to all notifications, because our German tour is still continuous and much more to come on the channel. See ya!